Question number 1. Which of the figures below comes next in the sequence of figures shown above? The sequence shows a pattern where the shape rotates 90 degrees clockwise. The internal arrow remains in the same relative position to the shape. Looking at the sequence. First shape, trapezium. Second shape, rotated 90 degrees clockwise. Third shape, rotated again 90 degrees clockwise. Following this pattern, the next figure should be rotated another 90 degrees clockwise, which means it will return to the original trapezium position. Correct option. The correct answer is the last option, which shows the trapezium with the arrow maintaining its relative position.
Question number 2. You are driving from home to your office. Right now, the time is 7:10 a.m. You are 12 miles away from your office. Your car is moving at an average speed of 30 miles per hour. What time will you reach your office? Options. Option 1, 7:24 a.m. Option 2, 7:34 a.m. Option 3, 7:16 a.m. Option 4, 7:40 a.m. Answer and step-by-step explanation. Calculate travel time. Distance, 12 miles. Speed, 30 miles per hour. Time equals distance divided by speed. Time equals 12 divided by 30 equals 0.4 hours. Convert hours to minutes. 0.4 hours multiply with 60 minutes equals 24 minutes. Find arrival time. Current time, 7:10 a.m. Add travel time, 7:10 a.m. plus 24 minutes equals 7:34 a.m. Final answer. You will arrive at your office at 7:34 a.m. Explanation. You need to travel 12 miles at 30 miles per hour. This takes 0.4 hours, which is 24 minutes. Adding 24 minutes to 7:10 a.m. gives 7:34 a.m. The correct answer is option 2, 7:34 a.m. Question number 3. Assumptions. All X items are blue. D items are always yellow or the same color as X items. Only blue items are for commercial use. Conclusion. All D items are for commercial use. If the assumptions are true, is the conclusion correct? Cannot be determined based on the information available. Incorrect. Answer and explanation. The correct answer is incorrect. Here's why. All X items are blue, and D items can be yellow or the same color as X items. This means D items can be either yellow or blue. Only blue items are for commercial use. Therefore, if a D item is blue, it is for commercial use, but if it is yellow, it is not. The conclusion claims all D items are for commercial use, but this is only true if all D items are blue. Since D items can also be yellow, the conclusion is not always true. Thus, the conclusion is incorrect. Question number 4. What is the next number in the sequence below? Sequence 2, 3, 5, 8, 13. Options. Option 1, 19. Option 2, 21. Option 3, 18. Option 4, 23. Answer. The correct answer is 21. Explanation. The sequence follows the Fibonacci pattern, where each number is the sum of the two preceding ones. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 3 plus 5 equals 8. 5 plus 8 equals 13. 8 plus 13 equals 21. Thus, the next number in the sequence is 21. Question number 5. Assumptions. The Western Sales Region has been in existence longer than the Eastern Sales Region. The Southeast Region was split into the Southern Region and the Eastern Region 5 years ago. Conclusion. The Southern Sales Region is the oldest of the three regions. If the assumptions are true, is the conclusion. Option 1 correct. Option 2, cannot be determined based on the information available. Option 3, incorrect. Answer. The correct answer is option 3. Incorrect. Explanation. The Western region is older than the Eastern region. The Southern and Eastern regions were created at the same time when the Southeast region split. Therefore, the Western region existed before the split, making it older than both the Southern and Eastern regions. Since the conclusion claims the Southern region is the oldest, but the Western region is actually older, the conclusion is incorrect. Hello everyone. This video will cover 10 parts of the Pi cognitive assessment. I'll explain each question, provide the correct answers, and give detailed explanations. If you find this helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more parts. Thank you.